Every week, I give you my best tips to help you summarize what you're learning and streamline the learning process. Top tip number 2 for this lesson number 2 is at your level, we learn the personal pronouns in Spanish because it's easier for when you start learning verbs. But as you make progress, you will realize that you can drop the personal pronouns because the personal pronouns in Spanish are implied in the verb. So, for example, in the first line, we have yo soy baja, morena, española e inteligente. You can drop the word yo and say soy baja, morena, española e inteligente because the word soy, which is the verb, already implies who the subject is, which is yo in this case. In the next line, we have tú eres italiano y profesor de español. Eres italiano y profesor de español. Él es marroquí, es marroquí. Ella es marroquí, es marroquí. In this case, you can see that the version without the personal pronouns, you wouldn't necessarily know who you're talking about. However, in spoken Spanish, you will know who you are talking about because that subject would have been introduced before, or there will be elements in the conversation that tells you who you are talking about. The next one, we have usted es rusa, es rusa. Nosotros somos cubanos would become somos cubanos. Nosotras somos polacas would become somos polacas. Vosotros sois portugueses would become sois portugueses. Vosotras sois portuguesas would become sois portuguesas. Ellos son estadounidenses would become son estadounidenses, and ellas son estadounidenses would become son estadounidenses. Ustedes son canadienses would become, without the pronoun, son canadienses. Your third tip is that nationalities that end in I with a tilde, like, for example, marroquí, iraní, Iraqi, they are the same for masculine and feminine. And also nationalities that end in the letters ense are also the same for masculine and feminine, like estadounidense or canadiense.